Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to fold the Classique designed by Alain Georgeot and Joisel. I'm pretty sure I butchered the name somehow, but please bear with me. It's the 44th member of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge, and this paper airplane can balance in the air due to the excellent weight proportion distributed to the front of the nose. To begin, I'm going to fold with the color side of the paper facing down. With this, we're going to fold the paper in half. Open it up. Next, we want to have 1/5 of the paper for this crease of this section of our paper airplane. You could use a ruler, or you could do it the origami way. We're going to fold this corner to this line here. So this corner to the center crease, and this to the corner outside. We're going to pinch it here a little bit. Next, we're going to pinch the diagonal at this location. So just match the two corners and pinch it. Once you have that, this marks the 1/5 location from this top edge here and from this side edge here. We're going to fold it down right on this mark. You can use the edge of the paper as a guide to make sure that it's straight all across. To make sure that it's relatively even all across. The next location as guide would be the center crease. Make sure that it's on top of each other. Next, unfold that and fold this edge to this new crease here. After that, fold it back. You would have a reduced rectangle, or reduced square, which is pretty much a rectangle. Once you have that, fold the paper in half. Rotate it 90 degrees. Gonna fix this a little bit because it's not perfectly straight. I'm going to fold this edge to this center crease here. Unfold it. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Unfold it. Now we're going to fold this edge to this new crease. And fold it back. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. This edge to this new crease here. Fold it back. Next up would be folding the wings. We're going to fold right along this edge here, or this line here. And this would extend parallel to the center crease all the way to the back. You can use the back of the plane as a guide to make sure that it's straight. the back edge should line up right on top of each other. Turn it over, fold this side to match the back. Once you have that, we're going to fold a line from here to the corner here. Repeat the same thing on the other side. This will give us our triangular wings. The next step is folding this corner to this corner. Same thing on the back. Now what remains is the center fin. The center vertical fin, we're going to fold from here to somewhere along the middle, and then we're going to conduct a reverse fold. So just take this flap, open it up, and take this flap, fold it like this, making sure that this corner is at more or less the center of this section of the aircraft. With that, we're going to do a reverse fold to establish our vertical fin. Collapse the entire airplane, reinforce all folds, open it up so that the back of the airplane is sort of like a trident. The throw, grip it at the center and throw it with a conventional fold, throw, like this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Classique designed by Alain Georgeot and Joisel. Please help me share this with the world by giving me a like. Thank you very much, and see you next time.